Oh, I have fresh goat meat in this house. Chai, this is amazing. I have fresh goat meat in this house. Look at, my vendor brought me fresh goat meat today. So please let us cut it. I'm going to eat a lot of pepper soup and drink a lot of pepper soup. So let us cut it, guys, and systemize everything inside and keep them inside the deep freezer. All right, this is what we have to do. How we are going to be cutting them one after the other.